Now we've got HGTV's Carson Arthur, and he's going to answer your landscape questions.
When's the right time to prune a shrub?
Well, the general rule of thumb is you never prune a shrub until after it's bloomed. Once it's bloomed, you usually have a few weeks before that shrub sets next flower buds for the next season. The other rule, though, is if you are unsure or your shrub doesn't bloom, don't prune it until all the leaves have fallen off. If it's gone dormant, it's much easier for the plant to recover after a heavy pruning.
I've got patchy holes in my sod on my lawn. How do I fix this?
One easy solution to fix holes in sod is to actually invest in a bag of soil and a bag of grass seed. What you're going to do is you're going to take the soil and you're going to open up the top. You're going to put the whole bag of grass seed into the soil. Now I like to use an 18 kilogram bag of soil with a 2 or a 5 kilogram bag of grass seed. By mixing them together in the soil bag, you're actually going to get seed to soil contact. That's what grass needs to grow. You're going to take that mixture and you're going to fill the holes anywhere that you have a spot in your lawn that's either gone bare or maybe washed away from water. Water it well, look after it for a few weeks, and in 20 to 25 days, you'll have new grass.
How do I make a perfect circle around my tree?
One of my biggest pet peeves is when people put circles around their trees and they don't do it properly. The key is to making it look as nice as possible is don't go perfectly uniform. You're never going to get the absolute perfect circle because the tree inside is going to continue to grow in several different directions. The bark will get bigger and it'll always look lopsided. Instead, what I like to do is take your garden hose and lay the hose out in a free-form shape. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, make it feel a little bit more naturalized. Then, once you've laid out the hose and you've got your perfect pattern, take your shovel and start removing the sod or the soil in that area. That way you have a perfect template to start your ideal garden.
If you loved what you just finished watching, click this subscribe button and also leave us some love in the comments down here.